Chapter 17. Waste Management. 20% of India's population lives in cities. Studies show that each person in the city produces half a kilogram of garbage each day. Waste. Waste is a variety of materials that people no longer require. We commonly call waste as garbage. Garbage is a natural part of our life on the earth and we cannot avoid it. Two types of waste. Mother Nature reuses all of her waste. For example, dead leaves decompose to provide nutrients to plants. Such waste which is recycled by nature is called biodegradable waste. Some other biodegradable waste is paper, leftover food, faces, etc. However, today, man's activities have disturbed this cycle of nature. We create a lot of toxic and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste. Waste which do not decompose easily. Such waste is harmful for us and our planet. Garbage accumulation. Garbage dumps contain both types of waste. Rotting vegetables, food leftovers, meat, plastic, paper, glass, cloth, and many other useless things are examples of waste. Garbage accumulates due to the rise in population and the unavailability of proper disposal. At most places, the municipality finds it difficult to collect garbage and dispose it of every day. So, garbage overflows from the dustbins and gets strewn on the streets. Garbage dump. The sanitary workers often collect the garbage and dump it in mounds in empty residential areas, making life miserable for the residents. This open dumping is a result of overload of garbage collection work. At times, the sanitary workers also collect all the garbage in a pile and burn it. Burning garbage pollutes the air and emits a bad smell. If the people join hands with the sanitary workers and help the municipality, they can ensure the proper disposal of garbage. Garbage disposal. Though the amount of waste has increased, the way we dispose it has not changed much. We mostly pile waste and burn it. Some people bury waste in their backyard while others throw it in a place where they can forget about it. Improper disposal of waste leads to groundwater contamination, air pollution, and health hazards. We generate a lot of waste every day, but only some of it is sent for recycling. Most of it is buried in landfills or incinerated. Burying waste in landfills contaminates groundwater. Once groundwater is contaminated, it is expensive and difficult to purify it. Incineration or controlled burning of waste is also harmful. It releases toxins into the air and creates a lot of ash that also requires safe disposal. Effective ways of waste management. Waste can be reduced through effective means. Here are some simple techniques. Composting. Composting is of two kinds, natural composting and vermicomposting. In natural composting, the waste is decomposed by insects, worms and microbes. The compost generated can be used as a natural fertilizer. In vermicomposting, Earthworms are used to convert biodegradable waste into rich humus. Vericomposting. The 3 rupees. You might have heard of the 3 rupees: recycle, reduce and reuse. Let us learn about them. Reduce. Use of mineral water bottles. Use of aluminium foil to wrap food. Use of paper bags, thermocol, plastic for packaging. Reuse. Reuse glass and plastic containers for storing your things. Reuse the soft drinks plastic bottles for storing water. Reuse outgrown clothes, unused toys by giving them to underprivileged children. Reuse books by giving them to juniors. Reuse old calendar paper for covering books. Reuse gift wrappers for packing new gifts. Reuse one-sided paper, envelopes for rough work. Recycle. Recycle paper, metal, glass, thermocol and plastic by giving to rag pickers and kabadiwala, junk seller. Recycle biodegradable waste of kitchen by composting. Recycle vegetable peels by feeding to animals. What is waste to you is wealth to somebody else. You should innovatively try to reduce waste and reuse everything that looks waste.